Good morning, friends. Nalnakshi Swami here. In my previous video, I talked about the choch, change of character at the candlestick level. Here in our Nifty, what is happening, you can see the change of character at the 4-hour. How can we trade actually? At the 4-hour level, we are seeing change of character. This is the first candle, this is the second candle and the third candle. First candle making an high and second candle is making an higher high, but it is closing below. Even though it is closing below, this is an higher high. And the third candle started, opened here and broken below the low of this candle. This is the choch, change of character. But the most probable, high probable reversal trade will be if it would have broken down below the first candle low. So this is the important level. If it breaks below this, we can notice a reversal in this structure. How to take the trade? Suppose if you notice this change, how to take the trade? So this is at the 4-hour level. You mark the levels. Mark the level of the low of the second candle and the high of the second candle and high of the third candle, and the low of the third candle. So there is change of character, but we have to see what has happened. So I'll take a vertical line to notice, vertical line to mark this level, this area, and let me go to hourly. Hourly, you can see in a minute form, you are seeing a change of character. This candle made an high. Now the candle number changes. 1, high, higher high, and third candle, it made a low. So this is in the area of the 4 hours candle, 4 hours time frame where you have seen change of character. This is the boundary. This is the high of the third candle on the 4-hour time frame, and this is the high of the second candle and the low of the second candle. This is entire thing. So now price has come down to this area. This is the first candle. First candle boundary is the blue line, 16,530. 16,530. And then this low is 16,694. Better you mark this level. So it has broken down. Change of character as seen in the first candle and second candle. This is the third candle. So how can you take the trade? If you notice all these things, go to the time frame, 5 minutes time frame. This is the high of the third candle. So you can enter short over here. Now it is at this level. Price has closed at the 16,601. Suppose if it starts to close below, if it starts to come below 16,520, that is the first candle low, then it can pierce here. Price can come back here. This is a reversal signal. Are you going to take the trade immediately? No, it may not stop this. Or sometimes what happens when there is a change of behavior, the price may start moving down also. Moving down all the way. But sometimes the price will, what the price will do, they will show the move below this level. Sorry. Okay. Let me take this tool again and I'll show it to you. It can move below this area, but here in this area you can see little bit of accumulation. Buy zone is there. Why buy zone is there? It made a lower high and then higher high and it made a higher low. So you can see there is a choch over here. When price came down here, you can see a choch. So there is an order block in this area. Point of interest in this area. Last red candle which has given to the upside movement. So these are the two levels. This is at the bottom of the first candle. You are seeing a order block over here. And also you are seeing order block at this level. Two levels. So price can penetrate, stop at this level, or to show the change of character, it can come down to this level. To the level of 485 and also 477. Then what happens usually when you see this pattern? This is the choch. You have to get the choch. That means price has to come to close, pierce through this first candle low, and if it hits this level, there is an order block. That is the probability. Then price will trend to move back to this level. Move back to this level. Move back to, it can hit the level of 16,690 or to the level of 16,689. This is the price pattern it can do. Or otherwise, it can go there and the price action will complete there and you can wait for an order block. Here, there is an order block over here. Sell order block, sorry. Okay. There is an order block here. Order block at this level, price can come back to this level or it can hit this level. Or even it can go up to this higher, this level. This is the 50% of the second candle. Okay. 50%. Is there any order block? Let me check. Yeah, there is an order block. So if price comes to this level, okay, see, this is the low of the first candle. And if it penetrates and hits this order block, and if it starts reversing, it can come back to this level This is the high of the, opening price of the third candle, which has shown choch, or it can hit this order block. So price can come back to 697. There is a level 709, or it can go up to 760, and then price can start reversing. So this is the probability of the trade. When you see the choch, price will tend to come back to this level, almost this level. This is the low high, higher high, and usually price will come back to this level and start reversing. That is the pattern which follows. Actually, this pattern is called as Quasimodo pattern. Sometimes this pattern will fail and price can go up to this, cross this higher high, and it can make an high and it can plummet like that. So you should always be careful near the order block. But in our Nifty, we have seen change in choch at the level of third candle. This is not completed. It is trading, and it has broken the second candle low, and this is the third candle. But higher probability trade will be for the reversal. The price, if it breaks below the second candle low, that is 16,541, then you have to see for the reversal signal, and the price will come back and hit there are two order blocks at the top in the area of second candle and third candle. Then if you see a reversal there, then you can take a sell trade. So as a put option or a put option buyer, you can look for buying the put option, or you can, as I say, call option seller, you can sell the call option of 16,800 call option, you can sell it, or 16,800 put option, you can buy it again. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope this is one example. You take it as a experiment and start looking and locating the chochs in different charts, even in the stocks also. It works in everything. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.